Find the value of 0.00753 into 0.06789 divided by 342.1. Now to solve this, I am going to consider this as a x. Apply both the side log. Log x is equal to numerator part. I am going to apply this formula, that is log 0.00753 plus into means there is a plus here according to the formula. Log of 0.06789 minus, because if it is in denominator you should write minus. So minus log of 342.1. Now use log table. In that see 75th number and third column. So you will get 8768. Okay. After decimal point there are two zeros, then you should write 3 bar plus. Now go to 67th number, there 8 and mean difference C9 and add these two numbers from the log table. Okay, so you will get 8318. Since there is only one zero, then you should write 2 bar. Fine. Now minus. Now here 3 digits are there. If there are 3 digits, you should reduce 1, so you should write a 2 here. Now go to 34th number, second column, mean difference 1, get the answer and add these two. So it is 5341. Now here how to add this? So first write 0.8768. Again write 0.8318. Add these two first. Then 0.5341. Subtract this. So you will get final answer 1745.1. Okay. Now next, 3 bar means it is minus 3. 2 bar means it is minus 2. And here also it is minus 2. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 7. Here minus 7 and here plus 1. Minus 7 plus 1 is minus 6. Minus 6 is written as 6 bar. Okay. Point. Then simply write this number after decimal place, that is 1745. Now this was your log x. X is equal to, when log goes to the other side, it will become antilog of 6 bar plus 0.1745. Okay. Now go to antilog table. Antilogarithm table. See 0.17 number, there fourth column, then mean difference 5. So you will get 1495. 6 bar means you should write 5 zeros. 0.102345. After 5 zeros you should write a 1495. Now to cross check this answer is correct or wrong, simply go take a calculator, multiply these two, then divide with this, you will get same answer. Okay, so this completes your answer.